This is an instructional video about the safe use of your new ALB Bleeder for the NSX Generation 1 and 2 ALB systems. Notice we have a Generation 2 ALB system. You can tell this by the extended reservoir. For the safety of yourself and others around you, please make sure to wear protective gloves and eyewear, as the system can release brake fluid with a pressure greater than 3000 psi. This could cause major injury or death. This tool is intended for personal use only, but its use comes with added risks over the OEM tool. These include the close proximity to the bleeder at high pressure. Be aware that the ALB nipple will be very tight and may require careful persuasion to undo. Place the ALB tool on the bleeder nipple. Place the other end of the tube into the reservoir you provided. It would be best to use something which is brake fluid resistant. Place a 16mm spanner on the nut of the ALB tool. Hold the spanner with your left hand closest to the nut on the ALB tool. Press down firmly so that the O-ring engages with the top of the nipple. Hold the other end of the spanner with your right hand. The ALB nipple might be initially tight before giving way and turning. Make sure you're ready for this sudden movement so as to not turn the tool too quickly, or this might result in high pressure brake fluid squirting through the plastic tubing. When you can see that the high pressure fluid has come to a stop or has been emptied from the system, you can now tighten the tool in the opposite direction. Remove the ALB Bleeder tool and rinse it with CRC or WD-40. This will prevent the nitrile O-ring from becoming dilapidated and preserve it for later. There are 2 O-rings in the kit. Wash the whole unit with CRC or WD-40. Thank you for watching this instructional video on the safe use of your ALB Bleeder.